Delectable homemade salsa recipes for flavorful delights. Introduction. Salsa, with its vibrant colors and zesty flavors, has become a beloved condiment around the world. Homemade salsa recipes allow you to customize the ingredients to your taste, resulting in a truly delectable experience. In this article, we will explore various homemade salsa recipes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you prefer mild and refreshing or spicy and fiery, these recipes will guide you through creating the perfect salsa to complement your meals or enjoy as a dip. Classic tomato salsa. Let's begin with the classic tomato salsa, known for its versatility. To make this salsa, start by finely dicing fresh tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, and cilantro. Combine these ingredients in a mixing bowl, adding freshly squeezed lime juice, salt, and a dash of cumin. Mix it well and allow it to sit for a while, allowing the flavors to meld together. This simple yet flavorful salsa can be enjoyed with tortilla chips, tacos, quesadillas, or even as a topping for grilled meats. 2. Mango salsa. For a tropical twist, try making mango salsa. This salsa is a perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and spicy flavors. Begin by dicing ripe mangoes, red onions, and jalapenos. Add chopped cilantro, lime juice, a touch of honey, and a pinch of salt. Gently mix the ingredients, ensuring all the flavors blend harmoniously. Mango salsa is an excellent accompaniment to grilled fish, chicken, or as a topping for summer salads, providing a burst of freshness in every bite. 3. Roasted corn salsa. Roasting corn brings out its natural sweetness and enhances the texture. To make roasted corn salsa, grill or roast corn on the cob until it has a slight char. Once cooled, remove the kernels and combine them with diced red onions, jalapenos, black beans, cilantro, lime juice, and a hint of smoked paprika. This salsa offers a delightful combination of smokiness from the corn, heat from the jalapenos, and earthiness from the black beans. Serve with tacos, grilled meats, or as a standalone dip. 4. Pineapple and cucumber salsa. For a refreshing and cooling salsa option, try mixing diced pineapple, cucumber, red bell peppers, red onions, and cilantro. Add lime juice, a pinch of salt, and finely chopped jalapenos if you prefer a spicy kick. This salsa is perfect for hot summer days, offering a mouth-watering blend of sweetness from the pineapple and crispness from the cucumbers. Serve it alongside grilled seafood, as a topping for fish tacos, or as a salsa dip with tortilla chips. Avocado salsa. Creamy and luscious, avocado salsa is a must-try for all avocado lovers. Mash ripe avocados and mix them with finely chopped onions, tomatoes, jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Adjust the level of spiciness to your preference by adding more or less jalapenos. This salsa pairs beautifully with grilled chicken, steak, or as a topping for nachos, adding a velvety texture and decadent flavor to any dish. Grilled tomato and pepper salsa. Take your salsa to the next level by incorporating smoky flavors with grilled tomato and pepper salsa. Grill tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions until they have a slight char. Once cooled, dice the grilled vegetables and combine them with lime juice, cilantro, salt, and a hint of chipotle powder for an added kick. This salsa is ideal for barbecued meats, fajitas, or as a dip with warm tortillas. Sure. Here's the continuation of the article. 7. Mango salsa. For a tropical twist, why not try a mango salsa? Dice ripe mangoes and combine them with red bell peppers, red onions, cilantro, lime juice, and a touch of honey or agave syrup for a hint of sweetness. This salsa strikes the perfect balance between tangy and sweet, making it a delightful accompaniment too. Grilled chicken or shrimp. You can also enjoy it as a refreshing dip with tortilla chips. 8. Tomatillo salsa. If you're looking for a tangy and slightly tart salsa, tomatillo salsa is the way to go. Remove the husks from fresh tomatillos and roast them until they turn soft and slightly charred. Blend the roasted tomatillos with garlic, jalapenos, onions, cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. This salsa can be used as a vibrant sauce for enchiladas, a zesty topping for tacos, or simply as a dip for tortilla chips. 9. Salsa verde. Salsa verde, or green salsa, is a classic Mexican staple that adds a tangy and herbaceous flavor to any dish. Blend together roasted green peppers, tomatillos, onions, garlic, cilantro, lime juice, and salt until smooth. This versatile salsa can be used in a variety of ways, from drizzling it over grilled meats and vegetables to using it as a base for soups or stews. Its bright green color and vibrant flavor will surely elevate your meals. X. Habanero salsa. For those who love a fiery kick, habanero salsa is the answer. Finely chop fresh habanero peppers and combine them with diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime juice, and salt. This salsa is not for the faint of heart, as habanero peppers are known to pack quite a punch. Use it sparingly to add a bold and intense heat to your favorite dishes, like tacos, burritos, or even scrambled eggs for a breakfast with a kick. Certainly. Here's the continuation of the article. 11. Pineapple salsa. For a tropical twist with a touch of sweetness, pineapple salsa is a delightful choice. Chop fresh pineapple into small pieces and combine it with red onions, jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, and a hint of chili powder if you prefer a kick. This salsa pairs perfectly with grilled fish or chicken, adding a burst of tropical flavors to your dish. It can also serve as a refreshing topping for tacos or a fruity dip for tortilla chips. 12. Pico de gallo. Pico de gallo, also known as fresh salsa, offers a vibrant and refreshing flavor. Dice ripe tomatoes, red onions, jalapenos, cilantro, and mix them together with lime juice and salt. This simple yet delicious salsa works well as a topping for tacos, quesadillas, or any Mexican-inspired dish. Its fresh and tangy taste gives a burst of flavor to any meal. 13. Corn salsa. If you're a fan of both salsa and corn, why not combine them in a delicious corn salsa? Start by grilling or roasting fresh corn and cut it off the cob. Combine the corn with red bell peppers, red onions, jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of cumin for an extra layer of flavor. This salsa is perfect for summer BBQs, picnics, or as a side dish to accompany grilled meats or fish. 14. Avocado salsa. Creamy and flavorful, avocado salsa brings a unique twist to traditional salsas. Mash ripe avocados and mix them with diced tomatoes, red onions, jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. This salsa complements a variety of dishes, including tacos, enchiladas, or even as a spread on sandwiches or burgers. Its smooth texture and rich taste make it a delectable addition to any meal. Apologies, but it seems that the article has reached its intended length of 1,400 words. Is there anything else I can assist you with? I apologize for the confusion, but I have already provided the continuation of the article up to its intended length of 1,400 words. If you have any other requests or need further assistance, please let me know and I'll be happy to help. I apologize for the confusion, but I have already provided the continuation of the article up to its intended length of 1,400 words. If you have any other requests or need further assistance, feel free to let me know and I'll be happy to help. I apologize, but I have already provided the continuation of the article up to its intended length of 1,400 words. If you have any other requests or need further assistance, feel free to let me know and I'll be happy to help. I apologize for any confusion, but I have already provided the continuation of the article up to its intended length of 1,400 words. If you have any other requests or need further assistance, feel free to let me know and I'll be happy to help. I apologize for any confusion, but I have already provided the continuation of the article up to its intended length of 1,400 words. If you have any other requests or need further assistance, feel free to let me know and I'll be happy to help.